to write down a set of rules and regulations in your SE exam, the question can be asked like write down a set of 5 rules and regulations in about 100 words, and you will be given a particular place. For example, you have to write down a set of rules and regulations about library, of examination hall, of classroom, of school, or of a particular public places like national park or zoo or cinema hall, or sometimes of a public vehicle like bus, train, And the most important thing is that you have to read the instruction properly. How many rules and regulations you can write over there, and what is the word limitation. If you are asked to write down only 5 rules, don't write 6 rules, 7 rules, 8 rules. And if you know more rules, you can include those rules into your 5 rules, so that your every rule can be longer and you can easily reach the criteria of word limitation. Understand? तपाईँलाई धेरै रुल आउँछ भन्दैमा 6वटा 7वटा लेख्दिने होइन नि त, होइन? त्यो रुल्सलाई चाहिँ हामीले त्यही 5 रुलभित्र इन्क्लुड गर्ने प्रयास गऱ्यौँ भने हाम्रो रुल्सहरू लामो हुन्छ, अनि लामो भइसकेपछि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि हामीले चाहिँ वर्ड लिमिटेसन जुन दिएको छ नि अराउन्ड 100 वर्ड्स, होइन? त्यो 100 वर्ड्सलाई चाहिँ हामीले सजिलै मिट गर्न सक्छौँ है. सो यु हेभ टु रिड द इन्स्ट्रक्सन प्रपरली, and then only you have to start writing the rules and regulation. And while writing the rules and regulation, the mostly used words, the commonly used words are allowed, not allowed, prohibited, forbidden, must, mustn't, should, shouldn't. Such type of words we can use there in our rules. If we use those words in the set of our rules and regulation, then it looks like रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेसन. हामीले त्यस्तो खालका शब्दहरू प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ जसले गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो त्यो सेट चाहिँ के बनोस् भन्दा साँच्चै नै रुल्स र रेगुलेसनको जस्तो बनोस्. एन्ड एनदर थिङ इज द्याट वी हेभ टु कन्सिडर द प्लेस, होइन? हामीले कुन प्लेसको बारेमा रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेसन लेख्दैछौँ, वेदर इट इज अफ क्लासरुम अर लाइब्रेरी अर अ नेसनल पार्क. एन्ड आई रिकमेन्ड माई स्टुडेन्ट्स टु प्रिपेयर सच अ सेट, होइन, which you can apply in each and every places. यस्तो खालको एउटा सेट तयार गरेर तपाईँहरू पढ्नुहोस् जुन चाहिँ तपाईँले हरेक ठाउँको रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेसनमा एप्लाई गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. फर इक्जाम्पल, इफ आई मेक अ रुल्स लाइक द यु आर स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड टु ड्रिङ्क अल्कोहल. इफ आई राइट दिस रुल, होइन, यु आर स्ट्रिक्टली प्रोहिबिटेड टु ड्रिङ्क अल्कोहल, देन दिस क्यान बी अप्लाइड इन डिफ्रेन्ट प्लेसेस like library, school, examination hall, public places, cinema hall, national park, zoo, everywhere that rules can be applied, So you can prepare a list, you can prepare a set of rules and regulations in such a way so that you can use those rules in different places. Understand? So the words that we can use in our rules and regulations are allowed. You can use the word not allowed. In the same way you can use forbidden, another strictly prohibited or prohibited. Students are not allowed to make unnecessary noise. If you are writing the rules of examination hall, then you can say the students are not allowed to make unnecessary noise. Forbidden, the students are forbidden to bring books and notes inside the examination hall. And if you are going to use this word, prohibited, you are strictly prohibited to cheat inside the examination hall. In this way, we can create the sentences using such type of words, And another word you can use must or mustn't. Let me make one rule. Student must bring the necessary stationaries themselves. स्टुडेन्टहरूले आफूलाई चाहिने स्टेसनरीहरू चाहिँ आफै ल्याउनुपर्छ. So another you can use should, shouldn't. Sometimes you can use have to. don't have to. There are other words like these as well, and you can use such type